Hi, this is Mrs. D. Decker here to show you how you're going to create your coin sheet in Google Sheets. First, you need to log in to your Google account, which you can do by any link that's shown for you or under the quick links on the home page. So click on Google Drive. And once you get into Google Drive, you get like a login, or you might have someone who's already logged in, and that's okay. You just simply click and sign into a different account, and then you can click Add Account if you don't see yours here. And then you're going to enter your username and password that is in the back of your agendas. Now you'll be thrown into your Google Docs usually, or you might be right into your Google Sheets depending on where you left off. But if you don't see Google Sheets right away, you can click on this waffle icon, which is your Google Apps, and you can click on it and it will show you all the apps that you have. We want to use Sheets. So simply click on Sheets. Once you're in Sheets, I've shared a blank file with you with the words coin sheet in it. It may have your name and number on it, but simply click on it. And once you're in it, you're going to start doing your assignment. So here, go back to your assignment sheet. We did step 2, which is log on to your Google Drive already. And now step 3, you'll be repeating steps 4 through 10 below for each of your tables. So you're basically repeating this twice. So now we're going to do step 4, which is to type in the title as shown in the table below and include your name and grade level 2. So you need to add. Now once you typed in your title, you'll see coin color sheet estimates by team A, B, and C by your first and last name and your grade level. Here for an example, I just did mine, and I'm going to do the next step, which is step 5. You want to actually select the cells A1, B1, C1, D1, and E1. And to do that, you can click on A1 and then hold your Shift key on your keyboard to select the remaining B, C, D, and E. So I'm just going to hold my Shift and then I'm going to click on B, C, D, and E. And now I can merge those cells into one single cell by clicking on the Merge Cells icon on my toolbar. So I just simply click on that, and now it's all one cell. And we can do the same for our actuals title as well. So we can hold the Shift key, click on each of the cells A, B, C, D, and E, and again click on the merge cells. So this is in row 10. You'll be typing those titles for your actual sheet. Now going back to your first sheet, we are going to start to type in our row and column headings. And you're going to use the ones as shown below. First of all, this is your column headings: coin color estimates, B estimates, C estimates, and color estimates total. Those are your column headings that you need to type in. And then you need to type in your row headings, which is gold, green, pink, and team totals. Once you get those in, then you can go back and do step number 7. You want to bold the row and column headings as shown by selecting the text and using Control B on your toolbar. So I want to actually do the title. I want to bold the title as well. So I'm going to click B. And then here I just select, you just click and drag your mouse so that you can highlight all of those, and then simply click the bold icon again. And you do the same thing for your actuals table. So I'm selecting that whole row, and then I'm going to select each of these cells as well to bold those as well by clicking bold. Next, I'm going to italicize the team total. So here's the title, And then I want to italicize it. It's already been italicized, but I'm going to italicize it again. And the same down here, we would italicize that as well, so that it's a little bit slanty. And then the next thing, you're going to select the entire table, like in step 9. So I'm just going to click and drag to this last cell, which is E6. And then I'm going to select the borders icon, which is this. And then you click on it and it gives you a drop down, and you can see all your options, but I want you to pick all borders. And then it automatically puts a nice thicker line, black line around it, just to kind of offset your table so you can see it better. And then next, you're going to type in the values as determined in class for each of your team colors. So here I took the liberty of already typing those in. You're going to type in the number 2, and then you type 2 here and 2 here. To navigate, you can actually press the tab key. Tab key gets you from one cell to the next, going across. Now, if you are like to go down, you can just press the enter key after you enter your values. So then once you enter your value, you can press the enter key to get to the next one down. Now, the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm assuming that you've entered all these values, so you're going to repeat this for this table as well. So you're going to highlight this, and then you're going to click borders, and then click the all borders icon. So now I have 2 tables, and now the next step we need to do is we're going to do some formulas. So in step 11, starting with the estimates table, we're going to start with the gold row. So here's our gold row. Click the cell just under the color estimates column. So right here is that cell. So that's cell E3. And click the sum option within the function drop-down icon on the toolbar. So now you're going to actually go into the insert. Actually, this is via the insert menu. So click on the insert menu to get to the function. Then you go function sum, and it automatically puts that formula right into your cell for you. Now we just have to tell it which ones we want to sum. So we want to sum these going across. So if you click and drag your mouse, it's going to actually select those estimates. And once you select all that you want to include in your sum, you just simply press enter, and it automatically calculates that total for you. And I want you to do this for all of them. I know these are rather simple numbers, and I know you can easily add these in your head, but I want to show you how you can actually use formulas. So I'm going to enforce that you actually do formulas for these columns here. So, or these cells. So these cells should all be formulas and not actual values. So here, if I was to do the estimates now for the A team, and I want to sum these 3 values, I simply click in that team total cell, and I'm going to insert function sum, and now I want to include the gold, green, and pink colors in my sum, so I'm going to press enter after selecting all of them. And then the next one over, you can do that again. You can click on, you want to click on the cell you want to add a formula to, and then click insert function sum, and then again selecting the cells you want to include in your sum, and then pressing enter. And you'll do that again over here going this way, only this one's going to include them going across. So I kind of jumped around, but you'll kind of be able to figure this out. And then you're going to actually do insert function sum, and you want to include the green going all the way across, and then pressing enter. So that's how you're going to enter your formulas, and you're going to be entering 6 for each of these tables. So you do 3 over here and 3 here. Now you're going to also do your actuals table and do 3 here and 3 over here. So you'll be doing a lot of formulas, but it'll give you good practice. So I hope things go well for you. Thanks.